Hi, can you hear me? Welcome back. It's been a while. It's my first dev stream in a couple weeks now. What's going on with the lighting here? That way? No, that one. Definitely not that one. Anyway, green screen. You all know it's a green screen. I don't need to pretend it's not a green screen. Just be nice for the show green. Anyway, hi, my name's Aaron. Working on this game called Terrorarium. Yeah, I've missed a couple dev streams because I don't know, Mondays, long weekend stuff. So that's my story. What am I trying to do here? Configure video, not that button. I'll just cancel. Yeah, I went to a game. I went to New York for a weekend. Made some holograms. That was cool. We celebrated Canada Day. That's a thing that we do. There's the button I'm looking for. Chroma key. If I just turn that way, now you have no idea that I'm on a green screen. I'm actually in the computer. That's a little bright. Yeah, just a skip. Got this new hat in New York. So I don't know. Let's make some video games. I'm stalling. I'm waiting for Unity right now. We updated to Unity 2018, which actually was like really painless. It's just I haven't opened it on this computer as of yet. So that's why I'm stalling. In case you were wondering. What are we gonna do today? What are we going to do today? I got some just like maintenance work that needs to be done. Medium to long-term stuff. Got some systems that I wanted to refactor. Do we have the voice line manager in here? That was a thing that could do with some refactoring. Not sure if problem between other branches. With this, sorry, I keep burping. It's really, well, you wouldn't know. Anyway, now you know. How many people are watching? Who am I talking to? Let's see. Who's here? It's Commander Root and Electrical Skateboard. Wow, long-time viewers. Welcome back. Thanks for sticking around with us. Thanks for sticking it out. Man, we've been busy. We are working on secret stuff that I can't talk about, but it's been busy. Yeah. No, it feels good to be back on stream, though. I like talking while I code. It helps me think about what I'm doing. So, what am I doing? You can see this screen, right? You can see while I'm poking around in here. Yeah, okay. Scripts. I mean, not everything's even in the scripts folder, so that's a thing that I could do. Yeah, right. So this beast of a script that in this branch is... Oh, no, good. Okay, we're good. Yeah. So I was thinking about trying out the Unity entity component system and jobs. Maybe not entity component system, because for aforementioned secret reasons, we have to stay on Unity 2018.1. And I don't believe, well, regardless, I can't use the entity component system, but I can use the job system. And I was thinking about maybe making a job. So let's make some jobs. That's what I do. Doug Ford, I make jobs. So give me back my tax credits. For those of you who aren't from Ontario, Doug Ford is our premier. And he doesn't like giving money to private companies from the government, even though we use that money to make jobs. Anyway. that was just a bad like jobs pun though. I'm gonna make some Unity C# jobs, which I totally have to Google while I work, just in case you thought I was better than that. I'm down to one monitor, so the Googling and the chatting is all happening on the same screen. Okay, Unity jobs, blah, blah, blah. What is multi-threading? What is a job system? Scheduling jobs, creating jobs. Yeah. Parallel jobs. Is that right? Okay. Execute, int index. Yeah, okay. Let's go crazy. So right now I have Mugu main. I have all of these things called Mugu behaviors, and it's all set up such that it like could be multi-threaded. I have in my update, no, it's in execute update, which is attached to a load balancer, which is attached to our pathfinding plugin, which I'm not a huge fan of it, and we're probably going to take it out. So I'm going to see if I can put that. You can see to do. So I load balanced. Yeah, right. So this is on a single Mugu, and so the way it's set up right now is that each Mugu gets put in the load balancer, and then when the load balancer says, "Hey, it's your turn," it does all the things on each of its behaviors. And I was thinking about maybe having each behavior be a system that gets load balanced, and like, okay, so now we check if all of the Mugu are dead, and then now we check if all of the Mugu are whatever on fire. But it probably does make sense to do it more this way, where we parallelize a whole Mugu as opposed to a part of Mugu. We don't want things to get out of sync. We don't want your legs to get ahead of your stomach or whatever the system happens to be. So when scheduling parallel jobs, we'll see if I can get away with that. All right, well, start by tearing it down. So, load balanced. Let's just remove the load balance and let's make all Mugu happen every frame. So we do that. We get some red exclamation marks, hopefully. Come on, come on. No, it doesn't implement the thingy, so these should be red or whatever. Maybe I'm missing a plugin on C# here. Come on. What do I usually have? C#, C#. That's not the one I want, is it? I don't think so. Yeah. It looks kind of nice, but it's not the one I want. Reload, that's the button I needed. This probably will break. No, good. I mentioned this on previous streams. You have to run Visual Studio Code not GPU accelerated if you want to stream it. Anyway, so this is downloading. Unity's still opening, boy. Okay, well anyway, I know that I can do this. So this is, do I have an update function? Yeah, I don't get symbols because that hasn't reloaded yet. Some projects have trouble loading. Man, programming without autocomplete is so hard. Okay, great. So we'll just call this execute update for now. Void execute update float delta time. That's fine. We could even call it tick, but we'll do that for now. leave those profilers on there. So now, just regular Unity, like mono behavior update. Sorry, I don't have the chat on the window, so I didn't know if anyone was talking, but they weren't. That's okay. So execute update time dot delta time. So that should just work the same. I guess we'll have a performance hit because I'm not using Apex load balancing, but that's okay. Can I remove Apex from here? Probably not. Maybe. I don't know if I need this. I'm gonna try and get away without it. Move those around for no reason. Yeah. Boy, Unity's taking a while to import. I have a cache server running too. Mark that as unread. Okay. Well, let's see how far we can get without... Come on. It's gotta work now. Finished. Good. Alright. All of these I might get rid of. We'll see. Because I basically want to queue all the changes for later and then do them when we update. Let's go down here. So we got the tick. So if we were going to make this with a job system, then each one of those itickables, I guess, would be something that you execute. Boy, this is a lot that I haven't fully planned out. It's okay. Struct. Okay, I can do this. So, all of those are fine. So this stuff, ready to breed, ready to be thrown, is breedable, is alive. Those are all going to be now my struct, where I execute and I check, I think, if it's live or not. So scheduling jobs, parallel 4. Okay. My parallel job, blah, 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 execute. Okay, and then you use it. Oh boy. This is complicated. Still waiting for Unity to import. All right, let's do one thing at a time. Let's go into Mugu behavior and oh, come on. Let's turn this iTickable into a job somehow. And we'll start with non-parallel jobs and then make them parallel. Or, okay, public script, my job, my job. No. GitHub's asking me for stuff. Hopefully this is all off camera. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, is Unity ready? It is. Great. Okay, good. So now the automatic scene switcher in OBS, pick up Unity. No, it's blank. Hello, new viewers. Who dat? Let me look at my list over here. Leech8905, welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're making a video game. There we go. Okay, so you got my Unity, and then if I go over here, you got my source tree, and then, or not source tree, VS Code. Now back to Unity. Great. So now that this is working, is this working? Do I get my little red X's? No. No, I don't want. I don't want Visual Studio. I want Visual Studio Code. I don't know how to use real Visual Studio. I'm just a coder. All right, let's see. Let's see. Cancel that. Cancel all that. Yes. Cancel. Edit. Preferences. Oh. Hang on. Great. And then where was I going? External tools, Visual Studio. I don't know if you can see this part of me in Unity settings. Sorry. This is like my least exciting stream. Somebody ask a question. No? Okay, that's fine. Where else was I going to go? This is fine. I don't know why I don't have the dark theme. I guess I don't have the pro license on this right now. I swear we own it. All right, iMove Units Factory. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get away without that. So just as is, this game should kind of work. No. Great. Yep. That's fine. Oh, come on. Why? Show output. What the problem? I need the, right, because we're using .NET version 4.6. So I need that. I need to install that. Great. version of .NET am I using? 4.6, okay. We'll get there eventually. Mugu load balancer. So I'm going to just delete it, hopefully. Although I probably will end up doing something like that later. Like, even when I do the job system, I might have some global thingy, a manager. Okay. I'm wearing these headphones but not listening to anything. Let me plug them into some tunes. Oh, here's what I want. There we go. No. All right, so it compiled. That's not helpful. so that's playing. Yeah. I don't know if you got audio or not. Anyway, I'm gonna fast forward to where I get my Mugu. Are they moving? They're not moving. That's fine. Let's find out why. It is running Mugu main.update, Mugu main.execute update, Mugu brain.tick. Great, so it's all going. It's just the movement that's not going. Yeah, it might be that. Well, let's go back. How many files did I actually change? Yeah, okay. I don't remember what this code was doing, but I guess I needed it. Story of my life. They're moving now. They are. Great. I 100% don't remember what that code does, but I guess I'll leave it in for now. Yay. And so, they are not currently being load balanced. What's my performance like? Okay. Well, that's a load balance. Load balancer component. Physics overlap sphere. Not. I know what. Who's calling that? Probably me. I think I know what it is. No. Well, let's see where else I'm using load balancing. That's not me. Nav load balancer, scanner. Oh, it's probably, yeah. Steering scanner, steerable unit component. Well, I mean, maybe it's not bad, but I just want to, be in control of what I'm doing. So if I can figure out who else is being load balanced and just take them out for now, I'll do that. Yeah, okay. Scanners, I guess. That's too much to deal with right now. We got Mugu main.update, 42 call. So I guess that's 42 Mugu, Mugu brain, Mugu move, etc. which is the expensive one. A lot of garbage collection. Actually, it's not so bad right now. Maybe I don't want to parallelize it. Let's do a stress test. Like I'm pretty sure I do want to multi-thread this eventually, but I'm also pretty sure that there's plenty of performance gains to be had without multi-threading it, just by doing it better. All right, so in this game, the best stress test is breeding, which in this game, breeding equals dying, or vice versa. Let me make a better layout so that you can all watch what's going on here. Is that better? Ooh, nope, that's not better, because F1 and 2 are the hotkeys, and I keep forgetting that. Sorry, everyone. Let me change those hotkeys. Sorry, still here. I just accidentally turned off the... Oh my god, we got a new follower? What? Is that real? Or is that just like a placeholder thingy? I think we got a real follower? I don't know. That's so cool. Thank you. Welcome. Alright. So, like I was saying, right now I'm pressing K to kill some, because that's just like my developer mode debug button. And then they breed with the corpses. So that's a nice little performance hit there. Chug, chug, chug. All right, that's enough for me to work from. Pause. Oh my gosh. So right up there we got a problem, which is Mugu main.update, Mugu main, blah blah blah, Mugu brain, Mugu move. That's easy. So Mugu move.tick, we know we can improve. Is it all Mugu move? That'd be great. So the brain is calling move, or is my profiler just not closing right? Because if you don't end profile, you end up with nested ones that aren't actually nested. Let's do a unit component that's taking a ton of physics.raycast. Yeah, you don't want to do that. No, you can do that sometimes. So obviously Mugu main.update, execute update, and then so I don't know what brain.tick is calling move.tick, so let's figure that out. There's a brain. I'm guessing that it's just I didn't close out a profiler dot. Profiler.begin sample, profiler.end sample. But there's no returns here. If that can't be calling. Is that calling it? Oh, come on. Oh, let's check this. Okay. We're not using load balancing, right? Okay. So why on earth would Mugu move.tick why on earth is Mugu move.tick getting called more than what per Mugu per frame? If blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. I don't see any returns. Should make it all the way down here. Mm-hmm. Okay, well, let's go back to Unity. This doesn't make sense and I don't like it. I also don't like that it is making up the most time. It's not like not a lot of time, but it adds up. Well, yeah, okay. So that's going to be expensive. Let's do this then. Yeah, okay, whatever. I don't need the indenting. Okay. I guess I should do a find in files for this. Just make sure I'm not actually logging it twice. No. To do performance. Nice. Mm-hmm. Let's see where this gets me. Mm-hmm. What did I don't even think I changed that part. Oh, I'm just missing a semicolon. I spilled coffee on myself. Get that on the clips. Anyway. So I'm pressing F2 again and hopefully not go into the offline screen. Yeah, okay, good. Great. Got some Mugu. Chug, chug, chug. What is this? This is, I don't know why it's... Yeah, great, okay. That's helpful. This is less helpful. I guess, I don't know, if maybe if I'm creating a new Mugu, like if they're breeding, then I end up in this like nested ones. Like from a Mugu spawn, maybe. Anyway. Great, so find Mugu, find nearby corpse is expensive, as predicted. Man, this music is making it so I can't talk. Great, this is good news, actually, because that's an obvious thing to optimize. Now, Mugu move. Apex.as is not actually nearly as slow as I thought. So the rest of Mugu move.tick is fine. Great. Now, Mugu brain, Mugu move, Mugu spawn. Is Mugu move a little bit worse over here? No. Excellent. Well, let's optimize finding a nearby corpse. Is it all garbage collection? If so, that's easy. Nearby Mugu.first or default. Sure, okay. So if it's just a garbage collection thing though, then we can do this. And then we can make sure that this does a null check. Right, go to breed, go to breed, and we just check that it's null, not null. Sure, let's see how that works. Because that should fix the garbage allocation, and maybe that's enough for a performance win. No, that's not what I meant to press. All right. It's better. Isn't it? What was it? It was 3 something before? Still some garbage there. So nearby Mugu scanner, right. How can I clean that up so that get a corpse? What's Mugu Manager looking like? Just go even closer. That's what I meant to do. Oh. It's blank now? That's so helpful for you when you're watching me code. Sorry, I'm working on it. I don't know why it's a black screen. Did you need crash? No, didn't quite. That's better. Yeah. Okay. So, profiler. Yeah. Garbage allocation. Lots of it. Oh, did it? No, hang on, that all broke. Because I saved. All right, here we go. 41. Garbage. It's not so bad. Still a lot, though. Now, when I hit that drop, is it from this? There it is. Maybe that's breeding. I don't know that that's... I don't know. Okay, let's deal with this garbage collection because it's got to be part of it. So first at default, that's probably giving me a garbage collection. Boy. Yeah. See if this does it without a garbage collection allocation. Did not mean to press end, page down. All right, so let's see if this does better. See if this does. Let's see if it works, or if I've done something dumb. But that should be a pretty straightforward swap for that link. Nope, cannot apply indexing. Yep, because it is an IEnumerable. Does it need to be an IEnumerable? Let's see. See what happens if I make it an array. I had to get my this. I gotta. Why is this not like compiling? .7.1. I didn't download the right one, I guess. Come on, Unity. Come on. Net.net, whoever I'm waiting for, come on. Yeah. Okay, let's see how my garbage collection looks. quite, yeah, a bit better. Okay, so we got still got some garbage collection problems in find nearby corpse and in move.tick, but it's better. Well, already just replacing the link with a for loop is better. Still works. Still works. So this is I'll find where that is, but that's probably in the movement code looking for neighbors, which is all kind of connected to this. But we've moved mugu-brain.tick down to below mugu-move.tick most of the time. That's not true, but it's sometimes true. Great. So what happens here? The steering scan is units, it's not null, and count. Ugh. Okay, so we don't need to do this. Definitely don't. Do I want to do it this way? I don't know. Steering cleaner. All right, we'll do it this way for now. Dot select. Sure. Back to that unit facade. Select is. Well, we'll see how performant select is. But we have transform. We have the Do I have a get component or game object? Probably not, right? What's this? Okay, I guess I do. Don't use that select. Like, I'm just assuming this is the least performant part because I was using link and stuff, but maybe it's not. No obvious garbage collection stuff here except for this. Where am I using nearby movement? Maybe I just don't need it in that way. Of course, I can't do final references because I didn't install that C# thing. .NET thing. Let's finish that. Yeah, okay. That's not going to happen because I have to restart my computer. That's fine. Let's just do that this way. Oops. I keep hitting the wrong button. Okay, Mugu main, Mugu move, Mugu brain. Right, but we have this. No, I don't want to use that. Is that? Huh? Profiler, profiling, profiling. Like I said, stuff's hard without autocomplete. Do some garbage collection while I'm in here, even before we profile it. Yeah, is that right? Find out soon. Over sphere, knock, others. No, this is dumb. I'll measure it, then I'll fix it. I'm not even sure if this code's being used, but it's a good way to check. I probably can't use the this as a static. It's handy for profiling though to be able to point to a game object. So that's part of it, until I can do find references. This looks like it's got a lot of garbage collection to deal with. Streaming scanner units.select. That's not. Yeah, okay, that's better. Okay, yeah, sure. Ah! That's, oh no, we got a, yeah. I thought I found a thing. Smell may return there. End sample return, end sample return. Ah! Always got to end sample before you return. Back to the top, if it'll compile. Garbage collection, sure. Knew about that, I guess. Let's see what happens when they start reading. Like, I'm really surprised that, you know, GameObject.instantiate is not. Oh, okay. Well, it also seems like they're not reading now. So that could be part of it. Yeah, they're not reading. They did when I told them to. I pressed B, which is like my secret key to make them breed. I probably got a peek there when I did that. So, if they're not breeding, that means that my rewrite broke something. Let's see if this will work without actually having the .NET stuff. Runtime dev environment, whatever it's called, I don't know. Okay, let's see if they breed now. They die, make some babies. Nope. But can we debug? Great. So right. Because this doesn't. Right, because that's okay. Do I need the nearby Mugu for anything other than moving? And can I do it without casting back and forth or casting whatever in? So go to breed takes in what? iMugu main corpse. Mugu breed dot go to breed. I feel like I can get away from that if I rework it a bit. Or at least I can do it later and not on the whole array. Because we have this and it's a like unit facade or whatever. And then here, ready to breed, yeah, okay. Well, let's do it. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, I can't type. Transform. So go to breed. There becomes go to breed. There. That's now transform. So that's that. Yeah, so I'll have to do the cast there, but it's better than doing it for the whole array. So here, I just don't want to. That's not going to work, I don't think. This is not nice either. It just transforms. Do I have to do it here? I don't like it. This is not going to work. I should read it a little? Is that what I want? No, that's not right. This dot target equals go to breed, Mugame, breed to go to breed. Do I want to do it here? Need to make up my mind. Like, that's better. That looks way smarter, but I feel like I'm just gonna get confused. Go to target, has some valid arguments, sure. Really? That should be handled just by like it being a mono behavior. Okay. Good. Get rid of link, maybe? Yeah, here it is. Getting closer. Great. Let's see. Let's try this. Wait. I assume that's not going to work. Enumerable dot cast. Okay, hold on. This is something different too. Nearby Mugu. Right. Oh. So it's an iterable. I don't know what that is. Tell me about iterable. Indexable and enumerable. Oh. Okay. Okay, and it is an unit facade, which is collider transform. All right. That's probably not going to work, but it's worth a try. Yeah, no. Array dot convert all. Do I not have it? Oh, it's a method, not a... Okay. Man, I should really learn this. So this won't work, but maybe this will... And again, if I restarted, this would work. Iterable does not contain, yeah, okay. Can I cast that? Great. I was trying to avoid doing it with select, but I don't know. Maybe this has something I can use. All right, well, I'm gonna have to just leave it as this, I guess. String scanner.units. This, I'm having a deja vu. I feel like we've done this before, and I probably said I had a deja vu last time we did this. Nearby Mugu equals, this is fine. Just use link again, I guess. I'll leave it as is, and then see if I have time to do the multi-threading instead. Oh, duh. Yes, I might want to use as is though. This is going to tell me I can't do that, right? Because it needs to be this is dumb. Now I can't apply indexing because it's not an array, but converting into array seems like a waste of work as well. Whatever, I'll do the to array. This seems like a terrible idea. We'll see what happens. I don't know if I've made any performance improvements because I'm kind of back where I started, converting to and from an array and doing like a select or, yeah. I just didn't want to iterate through all of them, but maybe that's where the multi-threading will save me if I do end up adding some of it. Okay, let's hit play. Let's see if it's not broken. I don't know if it's better, but I just want it to be not broken. Okay, so that's pretty bad, but this is better. Let's see what happens once they start dying. I'm assuming they do start dying and breeding. Yeah, okay, so chug-a-lug over here. Oh, and a null ref. Man. Oh, yeah. All right, I just made it way worse. Great. Okay, so that is in Google Braid. Oh, what? Right, okay. Oh, hey, that's fun. Let's deal with that. This we can definitely fix. So, start following Gartner. Why is it doing an add component? It should have all the required components, right? Oh, hang on. That might be those no references. Oh, but they're gone. No refs are gone, so that's good. Not sure what that's all about. Frame rate went way down. Okay, so there's definitely, like, I gotta deal with this fixed behavior update stuff. But in my code that I was planning on multi-threading, have I made any improvements? I don't know. It's a lot of garbage. I think I need to do a bigger refactor. It's 5 o'clock here. Where do we want to go with this? It's a lot of calls. Okay, so this is all broken, and that's got to be something new that I did. So I'm going to revert a bunch of this. The stuff where I started changing the shape of the lists for the go to breed, that I think I'm going to revert. These, though, were good. I'm going to leave those in. I don't know if they're in use or not. Yeah, revert that. keep that though. There's gotta be a button for that. No? So that's going to go back to how it was. So is this. So is this. All right. We back? We're back. Okay, that's it's not bad. All right, there we go. Okay, so that's obviously a big problem that I keep avoiding, but I should deal with it. Physics.raycast. Right, because that's actually in the raycast in the other one, isn't it? No, I'm not sure where the physics.raycast is. I can't really double click on this, can I? Here. That'd be too easy. Raycast, unit component. Nope. I assume no. Well, oh, maybe it's for the heights sampling. Yep. So I need to change the way the height navigation is if I want to get some performance improvement there, I guess. Well, I guess that's not right. Are they floating? They're definitely floating. But how's the performance? That performance though. I don't know if I can get away with that. I assume that's not going to work. Apex height map thing. Okay, so that's with them, I think, set to raycast though, as opposed to gravity only. Let me confirm that. Yeah. So that's where I get all of this chugging when there's a bunch of them. Yeah. I think I might do. I don't remember. Let's try this now. Well, they're not floating. I don't know if we can do the dynamic bridge part, but they are not currently floating, so that's good. How's my performance? Good. Yeah, I was concerned about the height map for this one part of this level where it needs to be like dynamic ground. This stove does seem to be better. Still pretty bad. That's a lot of garbage collection. Wow. Still though, better performance there. Specifically on the physics, we have better performance on the rate or the movement. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's play through the rest of the level and then I'll go back to my desk and keep working. Come on. Come on, gang. What are they doing over there? Just breeding up a storm. Good. Still good. Are they stuck? You coming? No, they're not coming. That's okay. Let's go. Come on, move it. I'm just gonna cheat. Like I haven't been cheating this whole time. Here we go. Come on, come on. Now it's on fire. Man, this thing is hard. There we go. So here's the part where we get to see if the height map worked. I'm gonna guess no. Where are we? We're over here. feel like that's not very helpful. Right, so I think the problem is that the height mapper doesn't update if I use that type of height mapper. And they just don't know that they can go there. So that would have been a performance win if we didn't have this feature. Well, something to think about. Anyway, thank you for watching, and tune in next time. My name's Aaron. Our video game's called Terrorarium. Company's called Stitch Media. And you're watching Twitch. Well, you might be watching YouTube. Who knows? Thank you very much, and see you later.